Hello and welcome to the practice. Today I'm going to guide you through a 10-minute inner smile meditation with a focus on the lungs and the metal element. The color related to the metal element and the lungs is white. So when you're doing the meditation, you can visualize inhaling beautiful, crystal clear, pure white color or white light into your lungs and into your body. If you have any old stagnant chi residing in your lungs, on the exhale, you visualize it as gray and you let all that old energy out your system. But first, let's prepare us for a meditation. I often say that the best meditation done after the exercise because the energy is already activated, it's pure, it's circulating beautifully, and we can channel that to heal and repair our body. Starting by activating our hands in a nice, gentle manner. And then place one hand over your chest, over your heart, and another over your navel. And circulate as we continue to generate a warmth and awareness in the two areas. Feel the warmth coming from the center of your palm and penetrating into your chest, into your abdomen. Bring you a sense of comfort and connecting your mind to your body. Pause, feel the warmth, and change hands. Continue for a few more seconds. Feel free to close your eyes or soften your gaze, focusing on the physical sensations, on the physical perception. Notice your chest, notice your abdomen. Very good. Slow it down again. Take a moment to feel that warmth pouring into your chest, pouring into your belly. And then from here, allowing your chest to stay flat, take a nice deep breath in into your belly. Exhale softly. Allow your belly to pull in. Inhale. And exhale. Connecting the mind to the body through the breath. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Clear, pure light into your body, into your lungs. Exhale anything that no longer serves you. Inhale, inviting the new, fresh energy. Exhale, release the old, stagnant chi. And one more time, breathing in. And breathing out. From here, let one hand join the other over your navel. Feel a pleasant warmth filling up your entire abdomen. Open one palm and stretch first to the side, then forward. Turn all the way to the back. And gently press upwards, opening your chest, stretching the rib cage, and focus on your thumb, the straight line leading all the way to your thumb. Then bring your hand back down, visualizing the energy settling in and grounding in your abdomen. Turn to the other side. Again, stretching through your fingers and your thumb. Press upwards. Spiral back. And center yourself. Relaxing. We repeat. Feel free to keep your eyes closed. Deeply connected to your body, to your breath. Feel your thumb and the meridian line going all the way back to your lungs. Relaxing deeply. We go again. One more time on each side. Open up. Gently press upwards. Opening through the shoulder all the way to your thumb. And release it down. Let energy circulate and nourish your lungs, your heart, your stomach and spleen, your liver, and your kidneys. Very good. Let your hands rest over your navel as we take a couple more deep breaths into the abdomen and getting all that air into our lungs. Inhale as you open. Exhale, release. And one more time. Breathing in and breathing out. Good. And then placing both hands over your chest. We're going to inhale and visualize pure white light pouring into our lungs. Replacing anything that doesn't look like a white light. Exhale, pour it out. Inhale, visualizing the air going in. Exhale, soften down. Every time you inhale, think of your lungs, fill up with that beautiful, pure white light. Sending that healing energy into our lungs to repair, recover. Very good. Inhale. And exhale. One more time, breathing in. And out. And as you're holding your hands over your lungs, smile as you send that positive energy, positive vibration and healing to your lungs. Love, gratitude, compassion have the most and the highest energy vibrations of all the feelings and emotions. So feeling ourselves with those qualities, we're raising our vibrations. We're becoming stronger and more resilient to viruses and bacteria because they are operating on a very low energy vibrations. If you're raising your energy vibrations, those will not bother you. So continue sending love, gratitude, and compassion to your body, to your internal organs, and to your lungs. Very good. You can stay here for as long as you need, or slowly come back into your space, open your eyes, and notice how you feel. Thank you for practicing this meditation with me. I hope you feel better. I hope your chest feels a little bit more open. I hope your lungs are feeling nourished and full. Until next time, keep well, and I'll see you soon.